I had seen WingtraRAY in the past, but it looked like a system that was beyond me. It looked like something the real pros use, and I'm just the small guy that does 2D and 3D mapping and stuff like that. And so it looked like it was way out of my league, but the more that it showed up in my feed and the more blurbs that I saw about it, the more interesting that I got. What I noticed in a lot of the American-made products was you got something that was about 70% as good for 3 times the price of what I was normally paying for the drones that I was currently using. I purchased a system that allows me to do large areas in a short amount of time and is government approved to do so. This is a new path for my company that opened up on accident. But I know that because I bought a WingtraRAY and the credentials that come with it, it's opened up more doors than the doors that are closing because of the move that I had to make. Early September, I was able to use it on a job that was slotted for next year that covered over 6,000 acres. The WingtraRAY allowed me to do that entire project in less than 10 hours of flying. I charged the customer the deliverables, the turnaround time, and the quality that came with that. They not only paid for it now, they're paying for me to do it again next year as well. So, and they've put a down payment down to reserve me. Can I honestly say that I would have ever had somebody put a down payment to reserve me if I wasn't flying a WingtraRAY? If I was going to do this exact mission with the M350 RTK with the P1 payload, there's a couple of challenges that I'm going to face. First and foremost, not only the excessive flight planning, but the way we like to capture our models is through the oblique imagery settings. So what does that mean for the M350 RTK? It means that it's going to create 5 flight plans for it to fly the exact same box 5 different ways at 5 different angles. With the WingtraRAY, because it already comes, the MAP 61 has an oblique angle already to it and a huge footprint, it's going to capture every one of those angles as well. So when I can fly it one time with the WingtraRAY versus 5 different times with the 350 RTK, I have squished my entire project down to 1/3 of the time that it's going to take me to get it completely done and over with. Since I got the WingtraRAY, the amount of times that I've had to go and refly a mission because there was some sort of mistake or some sort of error, or I didn't do something right, or I didn't understand something in the software is 0. I've never had to do that, and I have flown over 6,000 acres on the first try. I've also flown many other smaller projects with the WingtraRAY, and it was an effortless setup. And so, because I don't have to refly, that's more time and money in my pocket. I will look you square in the eye and tell you, your money is wrapped up in your time. If you can get an additional 15, 20, 30 jobs done a year, now you're making money. Time is everything. Time is everything.